Hi, Dr. D. Pasquale from NSI, and one of the more common conditions that we treat from an orthopedic standpoint is knee pain. And one of the things that's really important to understand is that pain doesn't happen for no reason. Pain is there for a specific reason, and in most cases, it's related to damage to tissue. That damage to tissue can be chronic or it can be acute. Chronic conditions are ones that last for long periods of time and develop over many years, and acute injuries are ones that happen all at once, almost like a car accident or a sports injury. But both are characterized by damage to tissue, and that's really where stem cell therapy shines. You know, when we talk about symptoms, most patients come to see us for symptoms because it affects their quality of life. It keeps them from doing the things that are important, and that's really the primary driver, but it's not the symptom that's the problem. It's really the damaged tissue that's the problem. So I'll show you a couple things. This is a normal knee. And when we talk about arthritis, because that's probably the most common joint-related disorder that we see, most people don't really understand what arthritis represents. It's not something you catch like a cold or a flu. It's something that develops over many years. The normal structures, these are two bones that come together. They're supported by cushions, which are meniscus, as well as cartilage surfaces. And when we develop arthritis, what we're dealing with is this. And this is really the rub. This is the problem. Because in the standard of care, medications can never fix this. They can only deal with the byproduct or the symptom of this. And as a result, they allow this to get worse until eventually we need surgery. In a stem cell therapy environment, it's not that we don't care about the symptoms. We care very much about the symptoms because it affects your life in a negative way. But what we do is we affect the problem and we regenerate the tissue that is causing your symptoms and thereby providing a long-term positive outcome. Thanks.